Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Gulson Gamer and welcome to Donkey Kong on the Commodore VIC-20 this time. So, classic old Donkey Kong. I have never played this version before. And this is actually the first ever VIC-20 game review I do. So, let's see how classic Donkey Kong plays. Let's see the skill level here. Yeah, it's on easy mode now. I think it doesn't say anything, it's just strange symbols down there. So I believe this means more difficult. So this is the easiest. Start F1. Yes, please. Okay, let's see how this one plays. I mean, it looks kind of primitive, but it's an old conversion, so it plays good actually. I must say, I quite like the look of it. It's very simplistic graphically, but I'm liking this simplicity. Control seems to be nice and responsive as well. And sound effects. It's okay, I have no complaints. So let's see if we can avoid this fire stuff here. Let's jump over here. Oops. So let's go up here. Yes, we made it. Yeah, it's a classic old game. I really enjoyed this game on the Nintendo 8-bit. But the Commodore 64 version was very good as well, but a little bit difficult. So let's see how this one holds up when it comes to difficulty here. So this is the third level. It looks like it's actually the same as the first, but it's just... Oh shit. The barrels come in a faster pace. Oh, shit, oh my god. Yeah, he's really really annoyed here, the big ape. So, just bombarding me with barrels here. Oh. Okay, that ladder is broken. So. Get up there. Yeah. Yeah, I must say I'm quite impressed by this game. So here is this one. This one is tough actually. So I think this followed the pattern of the like the Commodore 64 version. I think it's quite the same. So here, let's go down here and collect this. Oh no! Shit. Okay, let's try again here. Go up to collect this umbrella here. It gives me a lot of points. Okay, go up there. Jump over here. No, caramba. Okay, let's see here. Where do I need to go? I have not done a strategy yet here. It's not that easy actually. Let's jump over here. So that is game over, I think. So there you go. Let's see if we can... Yeah, we don't need to start. We have seen the game actually. We can keep it short today. So yeah, I must say I'm impressed by this game. It's an old conversion, but I'm liking it in all its simplicity. I think it's very good actually. So I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. Thank you for watching everyone. Take care out there and have a good one. Goodbye.